Texas is more than a state. It's a state of mind. A land where horizons stretch endlessly, where history runs deep, and where identity is worn with pride. From deserts and canyons to forests, coastlines and cities, Texas is vast, bold, and unforgettable. Texas is the second largest state in America, larger than many countries, and shaped by a mix of cultures, landscapes, and legends. Spanish, Mexican, indigenous, and Western influences have blended here over centuries, creating a place that feels entirely its own. In West Texas, the land opens wide. Deserts glow under endless skies, canyons carve through ancient stone, and silence feels powerful. At Big Bend National Park, stars fill the night in numbers rarely seen, a reminder of how wild Texas still is. In the heart of the state lies the hill country, gentler, greener, and rich with charm. Spring brings fields of bluebonnets, while rivers wind through limestone hills. Here, Texas slows down, revealing a quieter kind of beauty. Austin moves to its own rhythm. Known as the live music capital of the world, it's a city built on creativity, where art, food, and culture collide. Austin proves that Texas isn't just tradition, it's innovation, expression, and energy. Dallas and Fort Worth reflect modern Texas, bold, ambitious, and fast-moving. Glass towers rise alongside historic stockyards, where the past still echoes through the present. It's where old meets new and tradition adapts without disappearing. San Antonio tells one of Texas's oldest stories. The Alamo stands as a symbol of struggle and sacrifice, while the River Walk winds through the city with color, music, and life. Here, history isn't distant. It flows through everyday moments. Along the Gulf Coast, Texas meets the sea. Warm waters, long beaches, and quiet coastal towns offer a different side of the state. It's relaxed, open, and shaped by salt and sun. Texas culture is bold, and its food reflects that spirit. Slow-smoked barbecue, spicy Tex-Mex flavors, and gatherings that bring people together. But above all, it's the people, friendly, proud, and deeply connected to place. Texas stays with you. In the sound of boots on wooden floors, in the glow of a desert sunset, and in the openness of its people. It's not just a destination, it's an experience shaped by space, history, and heart. If this journey inspired you, subscribe for more cinematic travel stories from around the world. Which part of Texas would you visit first?